Join me as I dive into the latest Sound stock update and try to make sense of what it means for investors like us. Sound stock has been making waves lately, and it's crucial for us to stay on top of its performance. As a popular stock among investors, understanding its current state can help us make informed decisions about our portfolios. Sound stock has faced some significant challenges recently, largely due to the shifting market trends. We've seen a lot of volatility in the market, with many stocks experiencing fluctuations in value. This unpredictability has led to a decrease in investor confidence, causing Sound stock to take a hit. The company's recent financial reports have also been a concern, with some investors questioning its ability to adapt to the changing market landscape. Additionally, the overall economic climate has been uncertain, with rising interest rates and inflation affecting many stocks, including Sound. The latest company news has been a mixed bag for Sound stock. On one hand, they've made some strategic moves to improve their financials and expand their offerings. On the other hand, their recent financial reports have raised some red flags, with revenue growth slowing down and some investors worrying about the company's long-term prospects. Market analysis suggests that Sound stock is at a critical juncture, with some experts predicting a significant turnaround and others warning of further declines. It's essential to consider these factors when evaluating the stock's potential. One major forecast change that caught my attention is the company's revised revenue projections. According to their latest report, Sound is expecting a significant increase in revenue over the next quarter. This news has sparked both optimism and skepticism among investors, with some seeing it as a sign of recovery and others questioning its sustainability. A closer look at the company's financials reveals that this growth may be driven by their recent strategic acquisitions. However, it's crucial to consider the potential risks and challenges associated with these moves. In terms of strategic moves, Sound has been focusing on expanding its offerings and improving its financials. They've made some significant investments in new technologies and have been working to strengthen their balance sheet. While these efforts are promising, it's essential to consider the potential risks and challenges associated with these moves. One significant insight from my research is that Sound stock is poised for a potential turnaround, but it's crucial to keep a close eye on the company's progress and adjust our expectations accordingly. To recap, we've discussed the current state of Sound stock, the recent market trends that have impacted its performance, and the latest company news and financial reports. The key takeaway is that Sound stock is at a critical juncture, and investors need to stay informed to make the best decisions. The implications for investors moving forward are clear. It's essential to keep a close eye on the company's progress and adjust our expectations accordingly. If you have any thoughts on Sound stock or other investments, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more stock updates and insights, and I'll catch you in the next video.